All right, this is the Stagger stance hinge. We're going to be using a heel wedge ramp. To set up, you're going to stand about shoulder width, maybe slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Foot on the ramp. Here, the weight's on the opposite side. Going to be just pushing the hips straight back. Knee stays bent. Kettlebell stays in the line of the foot, the knee, and the hip. As you're coming back up, you're keeping the weight here in this line, so it's not shifting over. Hips up and back. Pull through. Make sure that your full foot stays in contact with the ramp, specifically the heel and the inside part of the foot. From the side view, you essentially want the back of your non-working leg heel to be in line with the front toe of the working leg. If you have a ramp, it's really easy to see the line. It's a Stagger stance hinge.